Hello, and thank you for joining us. During this tutorial, we will show you how to use a filter to easily search for a specific request within ServiceNow. Begin in the ServiceNow portal. Click on All Requests. This will ensure you are filtering all the requests that have been submitted and not only a portion. If you need to search a portion of submissions, for example, only requests assigned to you, then you can begin under My Requests. Begin by clicking the funnel icon in the top left corner. When you click that icon, you will see fields that allow for filter conditions to be changed. Each field allows for a condition to be added by clicking the arrow and selecting from the drop-down box. You can add multiple conditions by including the conditions of and or by clicking one of those words at the end of each condition line. In this example, the first condition we are applying is all requests created on February 9th. A second condition is added by clicking the word and. The second condition is active is true. So this filter is looking for all requests that were created on February 9th that have an active status. When the filter is correct and you'd like to apply it to your search, click Run in the top left corner, and this will filter only those requests and display them for you. To remove a line of conditions, click the X icon located at the right side of the field. You will also notice that if you choose conditions that involve a date, a small calendar icon will appear at the end of the line. You can click on that icon and use the calendar to find the date you would like applied to your filter. If you click on the desired date, it will fill the field with that information. After entering all conditions, don't forget to click Run at the top left corner. If this is a filter you plan to use again in the future, you can save the filter by clicking the word Save at the top left corner. A field asking you what you'd like to save the filter as will populate. Type a name you'd like to save the filter in and then click the word Save. To retrieve filters that you have saved, click the three lines in the top left corner. A new menu will appear. Click the option labeled Filters. This will cause a second box to open. You will then see your saved filters appear at the bottom of that list. The filter I saved for this example is called Test. To keep your filter options open and appearing at the top of the page when searching, click the small push pin icon so that the pin appears to be pressed down. If you hover your cursor over the pin, a bubble will appear to tell you if it is pinned or unpinned. This will allow you to see your filter options at all times. If this button is not clicked, then the filter options will close and you will not be able to see them unless you reopen the filter. Please remember, you can always contact the CBO helpline for assistance from one of our program associates by calling 919-515-4CBO. That number is 919-515-4226. Please watch our other tutorials for step-by-step instructions on how to utilize the different resources available to you within this portal.